Today we are going to be planting out onion sets that you get from the gardening store. Now while you can grow onions from seed, that can actually take about 2 years to really get a harvest. These are already started. So you can plant these directly into the ground, of course, but I am going to start them in some smaller pots. You can keep them in a larger pot permanently if you want, if it makes it easier for you to dig them up when you're ready to harvest. But I will just keep them in a little pot for a little bit and then plant them in the garden when it is a little bit warmer and not so rainy.